We're here at Sky Park. Hi, I'm Melody. I'm the 2026 sport leader, and we're here with Nicole, who runs the Sky's Her Limit program here at Sydney FC. Can you tell us a bit about our program today?
Sure. So I'm Nicole from the Sydney FC Foundation, and today we're running our Sky's Her Limit program here at Sky Park. Our program is all about inspiring and empowering girls to play in sport through those adolescence years where the drop-off rate for girls in sport is huge. We want to keep girls in sport, keep girls in leadership, and use sport and football as the vehicle to do that. So we have our players here coaching the girls. We'll do a tour of our facility, have some lunch, and finish with a great Q&A panel to have a fantastic day with the girls here.
I think in women's football in general, there's a lot of challenges that we face, and although the sport definitely is growing, just taking everything one day at a time and trusting that whatever door is my door that's open for me down the road, nothing's going to shut that. Whatever door is open for me is the one that's meant for me.
How is it to be surrounded by such high-level players?
It's honestly quite inspiring, it's good to look up to them and stuff.
We're here with Ace from Sydney FC. I'd just like to ask you, what would you like the girls to get out of the program today?
They just enjoy their time here and they are inspired to stay in sport, whether it's soccer, netball, any sport you guys play in Australia. But our message is really to try to keep kids in sport.
How'd you find today, and what was your favourite part?
I think it was really fun, and I'm glad to be able to see all the facilities, how the players train, and I guess their daily routines. And I think it's really cool that we get to play with the players, and that I really appreciate that they've showed us around their stadium thingy. And I appreciate that Mr. Baghdadi's set this up for us, and thank you to everyone.